Hello, Pastro Jerry. My name is Jesus Gutierrez. I'm your friend. My dad is Jesus Gutierrez Sr. out of San Antonio, and I think that's how we know each other. But I wanted to make this quick video for you because I had made a comment on one of your Facebook posts here asking if you were looking for more business. You like my comment, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can get some more business. Okay, brother? So the first thing I did, or I should say the three things that we're going to talk about today before we go any further is we're going to look at content, which obviously you don't have a website at the moment, but we're going to talk about content. We're going to talk about backlinks and then citations. Okay. So the way of the world these days is obviously through Google. Okay. A lot of these companies are paying Google and are doing these things to get noticed on Google, to get more calls, to get more jobs, and essentially to make more money, to grow their business. So what I went on ahead and did, I did notice that you're out of McGregor, but the one with the highest population was Waco. I know that there's also Killeen here as well, and Temple. But so what I did was I just Googled roofers Waco, Texas, and your competition's looking like Honey's Roofing, Weather Shield, and Texas Built Roofing. So what I did, I have this tool here called Ahrefs, which is a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so I'm paying for this, but you can definitely use any type of tool that you want to look for backlinks and things like that. And a backlink, what it is basically, or I should say a referring domain before we go into backlinks, are just the websites that are pushing traffic towards your website, essentially bringing in more calls and more customers because you're found more easily in Google. So if we look at your competition here, you'll see that they have a total of 235 backlinks and 48 referring domains, which is websites, as I said, that are pushing traffic towards their website. And the backlinks are just the number of times that they're doing that. As you can see, they have roughly 32 people visiting their website per day. And if we look at the other guys, okay, Weather Shield Inc., they have 28 people visiting their website per day, 39 referring domains. Like I said, there are other websites pushing traffic to their website, and then 127 backlinks, which is the number of times these websites are pushing traffic towards their websites. Now, when we're talking about content, you're going to need keywords, okay? So Google doesn't care how fancy a website looks if we're looking at your competition here. All they care about is the amount of words that are on your website, right? And the keyword specifically, right? So here, roofer Waco, that is a huge keyword. They have it bolded, so these guys actually know what they're doing, right? So they want to know that your website has relevant keywords to your business or to your niche, exactly what you do. So having keywords like this, roofer Waco, roofing company Waco, Texas, roofing company McGregor, just things like that can definitely help you stand out, and Google is able to find you a lot faster. Okay, so these guys are actually doing that right now, which is probably the reason why they're on top here. Now, this is the money maker here, this box. I don't know if you're like myself, but if you were to type in, I don't know, say if I were in San Antonio, Texas, and I would type in tire repair, I'd probably, I probably wouldn't be going down here to the second page of Google to find my tire repair person, right? I normally just go here to this box, and that's kind of similar for everybody, right? So if you want to get here, you just got to have more citations than your competitors. And basically what a citation is any place that your business can be found in a directory. Now, in order to put yourself in a directory, you'd have to put your phone number, your address, your business name, and your phone number. And obviously, if you have a website, it would be a website as well. And a directory would be like Yellow Pages, you have White Pages, you have Yelp. And I know since you're in the service industry, you could use Home Advisor, Angie's List, heck, even Facebook is considered a citation. So you would just come here and figure out how many citations your competitors have, and you would just want to double that, right? Any citations they have, you would want to use those for your business as well, and then find even more. So the three things, right? Content, making sure that you have a website with 1,500 words on your homepage so that you have a dominant presence on the internet, and then ensuring that you have relevant keywords according to your niche. The second one is backlinks, right? Making sure that you have more backlinks than your competitors. And I do need to warn you that not all backlinks are created equal, okay? Google knows that you're not a restaurant, so any website that you're linking to, say if you're linking back to a restaurant website, it's not as powerful as if you were linked to a roofing blog or a roofing forum, you know, places like that. So and then citations, just making sure that you have more citations than your competition, and you'd get here in this big box that would bring in more revenue, obviously bring in more calls. Your phone would be ringing so many times that, I mean, you would have to hire more staff to get your jobs done. So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? And you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And to be honest with you, I mean, many roofing contractors are too busy to find out how the internet works for them, you know, or how they could make the internet work for them. So that's why I'm making this video, kind of to help you out, to bring you some more business. And if you're wondering, you know, what to do from here, well, I mean, you can obviously do this yourself. As I said, making yourself a website, ensuring that you have 1,500 words, making sure you have more citations, having your business in more directories than your competitors, and then having more backlinks, more powerful backlinks than your competitors. So you can choose to do that all yourself. You know, more power to you. Or since I'm in the industry, you could definitely contact me, and we can see what we can do to get a website up for you to get you ranking on Google. And if I'm honest with you, it wouldn't be too hard, especially in this area, because if we scroll all the way down here, your competition, these guys right here, Honeys and Weather Shield, like they're not even on here until, gosh, it doesn't even look like they're on here at all. So getting you ranked up here to this first spot wouldn't be too hard. So if any of that interests you, if I'm making sense at all, just go ahead and reach out to me. Send me a Facebook message, and we'll see what we can do to help you out. All right, Pastor, it was good talking to you. Please let me know if you have any questions about it. Have a good day.